Well, welcome back to Hen's Adventures, and in this short video I want to show you guys what I actually do to help protect my motorhome from damp and frost damage. And there's one thing I'll show you at the end of this video that I think a lot of caravanners and motorhomers may forget. Let me know if you do forget this thing or not. I'll show you that at the end of the video. First thing I like to do is to empty the grey water and make sure that is completely empty. That's empty. The next thing I like to do is empty all the fresh water tank. Now, an easy way of doing this, underneath this carpet is a hatch. So I lift the carpet up, and underneath here is this hatch, and that reveals the fresh water tank. Now, if you undo this cap here, now it is empty, but I just want to show you what I do. There's a little bung at the bottom. You just take this bung out. It used to have a chain to it, obviously that's broken in the past. You just pull that bung out, then that empties all the fresh water. Now, once the fresh water tank's been emptied, what I like to do is open up the... Now, I like to open them up halfway. So it's not hot, it's not cold, but halfway. Open them up. Do exactly the same with the sink. Not cold, not hot, just about halfway. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm not too sure, a lot of people may forget, they may not do. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now, I do think this is something important, maybe for motorhomers and caravanners, to do this next thing. And what I'm going to do is empty my hot water tank. Now, mine is underneath this cushion here. So once I remove the cushions, I just lift this hatch up, and all I have to do is pull this flap up, and that will empty the hot water tank. Now, do you always do that or not? Please let me know in the comments. It would be nice to know. Now, don't forget, I've only had this motorhome for a short period, and the frost is here, and I want to make sure every time I go away, when we come back, do you know what, the next day I might have a big frost, so I want to make sure that has completely emptied everywhere, so that helps stop any frost getting to all the pipes and bursting them. With the damp and condensation, now some people may do this, some people may not do this. I have had some people say, open these sky vents and put them on just like the trickle, slightly open setting. Now, the only problem that I feel with that is if you do that and you've got a damp day outside like we have at the moment, and always at the moment, it's just rain at the moment, that damp atmosphere that can then come into the motorhome. So I'm not going to actually do that. Now, am I right in saying don't do it? Or would you do it? Let me know in the comments. One of the things I do always do is pull all these cushions away from the walls. Now, I don't know if you heard my one of the videos. I was getting a lot of damp down here. Now, by putting all the cushions away will help any black marks and mold and mildew coming on these cushions. So as you can see, I've got rid of all the cushions away from the walls, and I'm hoping that's going to help any mold and mildew. Now, have I done everything that you do? Is there something I've forgotten? Now, if I have forgotten something, please let me know, because I do want to protect this motorhome as much as I can, and hopefully help other people to protect their motorhomes or caravans as much as they can. So if you have liked this video and if it helped, please consider subscribing and pressing the notification button, and send all your comments. I really would appreciate it. So hope this stops any frostbite, shall we say, and any damp and mildew. So ciao for now.